The PrintUI Reseller portal gives you and your administrators complete control over managing and facilitating your clients' accounts and their users. Here's a quick look at the features of this portal. First, let's create a new client. Enter a new client ID using all lowercase letters and no spacing. A description, and select the client role. You'll then receive a client authorization code and can select which plan to put your client on. For an additional cost, you can also choose the output and branding options that your client will see. Now, when you return to the home page, you will see your new client in the list of all your clients and their statuses, including what plan they're on and their authorization code. Manage existing clients by clicking on them. You will see details on them, including their plan and role. This is where you can upgrade your client from one plan to another. If any of the changes you make affect your client's billing, it will be noted on this page. You can also create and edit individual users for your clients by selecting the Users tab at the top of the client page. There are two types of user accounts: users and reseller managers. A user, in this case, refers to anyone in your organization who will be designing templates in InDesign and uploading them. Reseller managers are admins who can create new accounts and other users. From here, you can select roles, set passwords, and select permissions for each user, or even block and delete users. The History tab will show you all of the actions you've taken on your client, while the Gallery acts as a storage option if you do not already have a DAM. You may want to supply your clients with some sample templates to get them started. In this case, use the Copy Template tab to populate their accounts with sample templates. You can also see what your client's version of PrintUI looks like by clicking on the View As button at the top right of the screen. This is a great way for you to troubleshoot any issues your clients may be experiencing with a template. The document link is where you can download the current version of the PrintUI InDesign Management Panel and other user documentation. For more information on PrintUI's Reseller portal or any of Santa Cruz Software's other products, please visit santacruzsoftware.com.